It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday, you. For you. Happy birthday, you.
Happy birthday, Mother. Enjoy mo yung araw ngayon na blessing ni Lord na binigyan ka ng another birthday. Hindi mo anay pag-isipan kung ano yung mga mapait nga natabo ka dyan nga tuig. So enjoy mo yung araw ngayon, smile. Tapos ang wish ko lang ay more health. Tapos makarecover sa tanan nga mga pagtiraw. Kag dugangan pa ni Lord ang mga time kag year nga imaw ka naman nga mobrugto biskan nga wala kami ka dyan ni Boy pero enjoy mo lang ang birthday nga dyan. So kung ano man nung napag-ipunan namin nga magkapatid, sana magustuhan mo at sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Palangga ka naman nga magburugto kag palangga ata ikaw. I love you, Mother. Happy birthday.
Hi, Nay! Happy 60th birthday! Yung wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health, tsaka lagi ka lang malakas, magpakatatag ka lang palagi. Huwag mong isipin ng malungkot ngayon kasi birthday mo. Yun lang. See you soon! Bakasyon ka dito sa February. Yun lang, ingat ka dyan palagi. Love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Mama dear! Sana po mag-ingat po kayo dyan at dapat po may marami pang birthday at ang darating at lagi po kayong mag-good health. Yun lang po. Bye!
We love you! Bye! Happy birthday!
Hi tita! Happy 60th birthday! So, kaya akong pinakagwapa mo nga hinables. So, hindi ako magpaulit. Magtao kang birthday greetings kanimo. So, manan ko tulad nga happy gid ikaw. Kinaga-celebrate ikaw kag imong 60th birthday. So, my only wishes to you is blessings. So, manan ko nga i-bless pa ikaw ni Lord kay ginashare mo ra ang blessings. Second one, tawan ikaw ni Lord kang strength para sa imong mga bata, sa imong mga apo, mga future apo, kag mga apo sa tuod. Third one is happiness kay deserve mo maging happy sa kung ano meron ka kadya. Ginatake ko man dyan mga opportunity to say thank you for taking good care of me and my sister Gail kang naga-school pa si nanay. And until now, you still taking good care of us. And happy 60th birthday. More celebrations to come. More cakes to slice. And more love and happiness. Happy birthday, Tita!
Hi Tita, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Hanggang dyan, Permi. Love you.
So, Mayra, imo na yung birthday. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko, dagan pa kayo nga birthday mag-aabot sa imong kabuhi. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Myra. Wish you a good health and more blessings to come.
Enjoy your senior from Paranaque. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Hello Mama, happy 60th birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo more love, more happiness, and good health. Enjoy mo lang yung araw mo, Ma. Happy birthday, and God bless you.
Hi Nay, happy birthday. Wish ko lang good health and bigyan ka pa ni Papa Jesus ng mahaba-habang buhay at enjoy your day. At gusto ko lang din mapasalamat na sa pag-aalaga na ipinagkakaloob mo kay Baby Marky sa paggabay na binibigay mo sa kanya. And again, happy birthday, Nay. Enjoy your day. And more birthday to come. Thank you sa lahat, Nay. Happy birthday.
Hello, To. Happy 60th birthday. We wish you good health, long life, and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Myra. I love you and I miss you. I wish we could all be there so I could come visit. I really wanna visit again because I miss all of you.
Ora ko ti may mahambal rin. Ano, bakit? Sakit akong wisdom to si happy birthday. So, we love you all. God bless. Oh, senior citizen ka na. Ako dito sa Guam, senior citizen na kasi at age of 55, senior citizen na. So, nauna ako kanimo mag-senior citizen. Oh, meron din akong 20% discount. Ikaw, magkaroon ka pa lang. Ako, matagal na. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday. Be happy. I know na you're grieving pa sa pagpano ni Kuya Roger, pero life must go on. So, happy birthday. We love you. Miss you all there. Si Ed pala hindi maka-greet. Ay, ito galingin ang ulo na to, higa na. Happy birthday. Humor lang na. Sige. Happy birthday. So, guys, kanyo tanan dyan. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi, Toto Myra. Happy 60th birthday to you. Wishing you good health. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hello to. Happy birthday. All the best para kanimo. I-enjoy ang life. Andam lang permi. Kita na ito sa pirakadlaw. Again, happy 60th birthday. Kag welcome sa mga family kang senior citizen. God bless. Love you. Babu. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mama Myra.
God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Good health.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Myra. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come.
Bye! Happy birthday! Kabay pa nga rin. Mayong lawas, welcome sa senior world.
Happy birthday. I hope all your dreams will come true and more happiness, more cake to slice. God bless you and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tita Myra. Wishing you all the best and good health always. More birthdays to come and candles to blow. Have a blast. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Myra.
Hello, Tita Myra. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy the perks of being a senior citizen and for sure, discounts everywhere, kid. May the Lord bless you and keep you always in His grace. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday po! I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. I hope you're having lots of fun, having a good day as it is your day today. And I hope that you continue to have a healthy living, stay healthy, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday once again. I apologize that I couldn't say this to you in person because I am really far right now. But happy birthday po. Thank you. Bye po. Have fun.
Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday. Enjoy life. Life start at 60. Salamat niya. Ikaw ang naging nanay ni Maymay kag lola ni MJ. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
Mudir, love you. Nay, happy birthday. Thank you sa tanan, sa imong mga pagpalangga, sa imong mga sakripisyo. Nay, wish ko sa imong birthday, tawan ikaw ang good health, more blessing, malawi pa nga kabuhi. Hindi ka pagbabayaan ni Papa God. Nay, thank you sa tanan-tanan. Love you. Thank you sa pag-alaga dyan kay Marky. Nay, enjoy mo lang ang iyong mga birthday day. Love you, Nay.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Amo lang na, okay na.
It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate.